How to use CapCut templates on PC or laptop. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use CapCut templates on PC or laptop. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your CapCut app, and now you have to just make sure that you open the CapCut app on your browser and not the actual app that you have downloaded. Just open CapCut on your browser, search for CapCut, and then you can just come to the CapCut.com over here. So once you're on your CapCut, and now you can see it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can see you have this sidebar over here, and here you have this templates option. Click it, and once you click this option, it's going to give you so many templates over here, and you have to choose from them. You can choose any template over here. For example, you can go to the search bar and search for the template, or you can choose from these that are already available. You can just go to the template and then you can search for like trailer over here and then click enter. And now it's going to open the trailer templates for you, and you can just choose to use any of these by simply clicking them. And now click use this template, and that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.